Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to configure SMTP settings. First open your Google account. Now look for an option Security and Sign In. Here make sure your two-step verification is on. Now search app passwords. Select the app passwords option. Enter your password. Now type your app name. Click Create. Now carefully copy and store the displayed app password in a secure place for future use. Now move back to the tool, enter your domain name, enter mail heading or product name. Enter username or email. Enter the app password which you copied during app creation. Now make sure you remove extra spaces from the password. Enter incoming server. Select incoming port. Enter outgoing server. Select port. Now once everything is set up, click Test to validate SMTP settings. Your SMTP test is successful. Now simply save the SMTP by clicking the Save button. Thank you for watching.